I re-uploaded the Lucky Me OG uses video yesterday because I changed the burning to special effects because I got some comments saying na it was wasteful, and some of you are saying it's comedy, ang hirap maging nakakatawa ngayon. That's not true because this lesson actually, I already knew they had a point one. That's why I took down the video and revised it. My wife told me a story yesterday about our delivery guy for Shopee, right? So he usually delivers and he's super bait. Like he just leaves it and then we pay him through GCash. He lets us do that. He's been super nice to us. And then my wife thought to give him 3 packs of pancit canton, and he was he got emotional. And sabi niya magugustuhan to ng mga anak ko. So for you, it might not be a waste of food, but for other people, that's like a day's worth of feeding their family. So absolutely saw the point there and definitely learned from that. So for those who called it out, I appreciate it. I definitely learned from it, and I'll be more sensitive and considerate moving forward. But di lahat na sayang kasi yung talisman, I'm telling you, sobrang lakas. Lahat ng masasamang espiritu, lahat ng mabibigat na nararamdaman namin na wala ever since na sinabit namin yung OGPC na yan sa pintuan. It's been good. Nakasabit pa ako sa kabila. We've been sleeping wonderfully, more than usual. Pati yung pakiramdam ng kapitbahay namin, natuwa sila. Pero there's a double-edged sword kasi pati mabubuting espiritu, natatakot dito. Yung papa ko, binibisita ako sa mga panaginip ko. Aba, bless your soul. Hindi ko na siya nakikita ever since sinabit ko yan. So pati yung mabubuting espiritu, kinakontra nyo, Lucky Me. Ganyan yan. At bukas, Lucky Me, pagdating ko dyan sa factory, malalaman nyo din.